Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Mobile App Testing Lifecycle. The different stages in a mobile app testing lifecycle include 1. Preparation and strategy creation. The first part of the testing lifecycle is the preparation stage. 2. Identifying testing types. Once a software testing team better understands what they are looking for, they can start to examine different testing types to implement. 3. Building test cases. Test cases are the steps that the software takes in the completion of a specific mobile application test. 4. Setting up the test environment. A test environment is a space in which a test occurs, including the specific number of mobile devices that you are using, the data that you enter into an application, in the event that the app relies on live services, and the operating system that the devices are running on. 5. Automated testing. Companies use automated testing, manual testing, or a combination of both for mobile apps, with this version of the cycle electing to present both stages. 6. Manual testing. Manual testing is the stage of the process where a QA tester themselves goes into the mobile application and tests a series of features and functions to establish whether the software is up to standard. 7. Compatibility tests. Once general tests are complete, think about doing more specific testing on the mobile application. 8. Performance testing. In comparison to desktop computers, phones have relatively limited resources. 9. Outcome reporting. After completing all these mobile app tests and noting down the results, go through a reporting stage. 10. Update development. The final stage of the mobile app process is developing an update to the application that resolves the problems that you discovered in the mobile testing and reporting stages of the lifecycle. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.